Blizzard Beach, which is a water park. And I know this one I'm allowed to take the GoPros on most of the rides because I've already checked. So if I can't, I'm doing it anyway just to film most of the stuff. So yeah, Blizzard Beach, let's go. Hang on, see if I can do it. Oh.
Do not swing, because you might suck again.
Oh, good. Only I'm going by the little spot.
Thanks for that, Judge. What's the confidence, mate?
Let's ask you. You jump on those all the time.
I'm normally backing. And I go,
Oh my god! I can't help it! Watch
that's a very good idea. Yeah, why did I think of doing that? Where's the big one? Oh, don't splash. Oh, you're just going away with it. Like that. Yep. Look at this. That wasn't fair. I've got to say, I'm really enjoying this part. Just one, it's because it's good. Two, it's red hot today. My feet are actually burning looking from that. And three, I can near enough bring the GoPro on everything, so it's pretty good. Apart from that last ride we went on where it was like a sudden drop, so I wasn't really risking that one. But yeah, it's got like 4 hours left, and it's literally cooking at the minute. It's so nice. I win. I'm just chilling. I'm gonna take that kid's head off. I'm going. Not in the waves. This is so much fun. And we're back to the camera. Blizzard Beach was amazing though. I really enjoyed it. But I think now we're going to pizza or something for food. I'm not really sure. I think it's pizza for food. And then we're going to do a little bit of shopping and then chill out back at the villa. But I have really enjoyed Blizzard Beach and I'm glad I did go on the worst ride. But now I'm going to have to wait for everyone else to get changed because I'm always the first. It's a change, everyone else has a shower and stuff, so. There's just one quick thing I want to show as well. Like, these are such a good idea in the water parks because the floor is so hot walking around all day. They put those things, like those little sprinklers down, which I think is a really good idea because my feet are burning at the minute because my shoes are in the locker and I can't remember the cord. Right guys, we're finally back. But we're back earlier today than we have been like most of the week. But again, I've got burnt. Look, if you can see how red I am, I've got burnt again. But it's been a really good day at Blizzard Beach, and now I'm just gonna relax because I bought like Coke in a glass bottle and it just tastes so much different. Relax, have a drink, watch TV, and edit the vlog. So thanks again for watching. I'll see you tomorrow as well.